and a very good evening to all of you. It's an honor itself to honor this beautiful audience who is gathered here. It's my honor to all of you. Today is our second day of this conference, and I think you all are enjoyed a lot and elevate the energy level. May I write? So, first start with this part. Firstly, I request to our guests to come on the stage and take seat. Sister Kathy is already here. Now, I request to brother Shri Manoj Bharve, Director of Finance and IT, CFO of Alpha Level India Limited, Pune. So please, guests, come on the stage. Welcome, brother and sister. 2 minutes silence. Okay, now I request to our sisters to welcome our guest with badge and bouquet. Brother, Sister Kathy. Brother Manoj Bharve. Thank you, sister. So, now we start our session. Today's discussion topic is self-programming. There are two ways of constructing a software design. One is to make it so simple that there are obviously no deficiency. And the another way is to make it so complicated that there are obvious no deficiencies. So, it's totally depend on you which type of programming you want to follow in your personal life to attain your goal. Now, I would like to request to Sister B.K. Khyati to give their input on this topic self-programming. Sister Khyati is a keynote speaker of this session. Sister B.K. Khyati has been associated from Brahma Kumari organization for the last 20 years. She has been involved in various activities like training, counseling, spiritual healing, and various administrative activities. She has been conducting various motivational training program and workshop and talk show, etc. She is also a faculty member of ORC. So now I request to Sister B.K. Khyati to present their keynote in this topic, self-programming. Sister B.K. Khyati.
So welcome in this session, and as you know that the name of the session is self-programming, and you all are in programmings in some other way. So today we will be talking about self-programming, and before starting this session I would like to share a very real example. What happened few months back, a person called me. He is also working in a corporate sector and is a very renounced person in Gurgaon, because I belong from Gurgaon. I'm giving the example of there only. So he's a very renounced person. He called me up that, "Sister, where are you? Why don't you come to us? You should come and meet me," blah, blah, blah. So I said, okay, fine, but right now I can't come. Some other day I will definitely come and visit you. After a few days, I was traveling, and on the same area I was there. So I told him that, "Brother, today I can come and meet you." So he said, "Welcome, sister, please come." I said, okay, fine. I went over there. I rang the bell and wife came. She welcomed me. She said, "Please come." I came. I sat over there, and I was sitting like here, and the wife came and sat over there, right? So we were sitting like this, and I was asking from her, everything is okay, how is everything going on? Like everyone asks, I was also asking in the same manner. And she was also responding, Yeah, everything is okay. सब ठीक है, सब ठीक है. Everything is okay. Everything is going on. It's like going on. Said okay. I thought there is some problem, I think, because usually whenever I meet her, she is always very much enthusiastic. But today she was very dull and she was replying in this manner that okay, life is moving and like that. I said okay, where is Bhai Sab? Where is brother? She said okay, I call him. She called the servant and she said please call him. The brother came. I was sitting like this. That lady was sitting over here and that gentleman sat over here. We were sitting in a triangle form. Right? So I asked him, and everything is okay? Yes, yes, everything is okay. And both were sitting like this. I was asking them, then they respond. After that, I asked everything, whatever they wanted to respond, they respond and like that. I thought, what is happening? Why are they not responding and why are not they means so close, and they are actually very close to me, but they were not responding in that manner. So I was thinking, what happened to them? I said, is really everything okay with all of you? She said, इस जिंदगी में कुछ ओके हो सकता है क्या सिस्टर? She really responded like this. कहती है इस जिंदगी में रियली का क्या कुछ ओके हो सकता है, और खास करके जब तक ये घर पे बैठे हों. I said, what happened? तो मैं एकदम शॉक हो गई. मैंने कहा ये क्या हुआ, अभी तक तो ओके ओके आ रहा था आंसर. तो हस्बैंड कहते हैं अभी बोलना जरूरी है. हाँ, अभी ही बोलना जरूरी है, क्योंकि यही तो है जिनके आगे बोला जा सकता है. आपके आगे तो वैसे ही कुछ नहीं बोला जा सकता. मैंने कहा हुआ क्या? नहीं नहीं कुछ नहीं हुआ सिस्टर. हस्बैंड बस चले, कुछ नहीं हुआ सिस्टर. नहीं नहीं क्यों नहीं हुआ, मैं बताऊंगी आज क्या हुआ. मैंने कहा अच्छा क्या हुआ? तो कहती है सिस्टर आप मुझे बताइए कि कौन सही है और कौन गलत है. राइट? अब मैं यही सिनेरियो आपके सामने प्रेजेंट करने जा रही हूँ, एंड यू आंसर मी हु वाज रॉन्ग एंड हु वाज राइट. दैट लेडी टोल्ड मी कि इन्होंने मुझे कहा कि ये मेरी मशीन जो है, एक्सरसाइज मशीन जो है, ये इस रूम से शिफ्ट करके दूसरे रूम में रख देना जहाँ पर ग्लास वॉल है, so that I can see the scenery outside whenever I do the exercise, because I can't move outside every time. She said, okay, I will do that, but she forgot to do that. She is already having 12 servants in the home, but she forgot to do that, and she even forgot to tell that to the servants to move that machine from this room to the another room. Husband शाम को आए, उन्होंने कुछ भी उसको कहा नहीं. But midnight, approximately at 2 o'clock, when she wake up, तो वो कहती है कि मेरे को एकदम से क्लिक हुआ सिस्टर कि मेरी मशीन वहाँ पे हस्बैंड की मशीन वहाँ रखी और उन्होंने मुझे कहा था वहाँ से वहाँ शिफ्ट कर देना. कहती मैं भूल गई थी. कहती है मैंने रात के 2 बजे उस मशीन को घसीट करके वहाँ लेकर के और ला करके रखा. किसने कहा था रखने के लिए? तुमने ही तो कहा था रखने के लिए. अरे मैंने रात के 2 बजे रखने के लिए थोड़ी ना कहा था. जब भी कहा था कहा तो था, रख दिया उसको. थैंक यू तो बोलोगे नहीं. थैंक यू बोलूं, तेरे ऊपर गिर जाती तो क्या हो जाता? गिर जाती तो गिर जाती. आज तुम्हारे साथ ये दिन तो देखना ना पड़ता. लिटरली दे वर फाइटिंग विद ईच अदर. आई वाज सिटिंग लाइक दिस और वो दोनों आपस में झगड़ा कर रहे हैं. नाउ द सिनेरियो इज दिस. वो कहता है कि इनको रात को 2 बजे मशीन को वहां नहीं रखना चाहिए था, और वाइफ कहती है कि मेरे आपके प्रति इमोशंस इतने अच्छे हैं कि मैंने उसको रात को 2 बजे वहां पर रखा. सो हु इज राइट एंड हु इज रॉन्ग? वाइफ सेज आई एम राइट, हस्बैंड सेज आई एम राइट. हु इज राइट एंड हु इज रॉन्ग? Really both are right? Actually both are right. That's the point. That's actually the point. If both are right, then why there is the fight? And both of them are saying the same thing, that I am right. Right? Both of them are saying the same thing. If you would have been in that scenario, what would have you been answered? That I also know. But what will you answer them? Ignore and forgive. It's not so easy to do at that moment. They were literally fighting with each other. If we see, the emotions of the husband were very right. Because he was feeling that अगर उसको चोट लग जाती then who will be responsible? Means आपको चोट लग जाती तो मेरे लिए वो ज़्यादा difficult हो जाता. And the wife is saying कि आपके लिए मेरे emotions इतने important हैं कि मेरे ऊपर क्या बीतेगा, that's not more important for me. देखा जाए तो दोनों की ही feelings क्या हैं? Very good feelings for each other, but what is happening now? What is happening? The way of presentation is not good. They are showing their feelings to each other, but the way of showing is not good. Right? And the another point is, when I say that I am right, directly or indirectly I am pointing that. If I am saying I am right, directly or indirectly I am saying that you are wrong. Right? And no one wants to hear that I am wrong. So the first planning, the first programming that we do to ourselves is, first programming that we actually do to ourselves is, I am right and the blaming game. The blaming game. I am right and you are wrong. And when we talk about self-programming, every day we are programming myself. I program myself each and every day in some or the other manner. When I see someone, then also I program. When I sit idle, then also I program. But the thing is that what am I programming? Programming is okay, but what am I programming? I just want someone to come on the stage, just one person, anyone. Anyone. I will not harm you, please. Just one. Yeah, please. He's coming. You have to remove your slippers. Yeah. Brother, I'm giving you a minute time, and in not minute, half minute is okay, 30 seconds is okay. So I'm giving you 30 seconds, and in these 30 seconds, what you have to do is you have to observe the things in this room. That's it. Simply observe the things in this room. That's what you have to do.
So first of all,
No. You just observe. After that, I will ask from you.
I'm not to tell you.
Afterwards, after 30 seconds.
Fine.
You have to observe whatever you can see in this room. Done?
I have to tell a number of things which I have observed.
Right.
First is the stage. I'm
Mic
observing you.
like this, mic.
Yeah, the photo of the Lakshmi Narayan. Then there are a number of flags, the flags of the different countries. All the people in the different attires, yellow, red, different colors, mostly white. And then there's a cameraman in front of me, the other person taking the photographs, the dais, you, this gentleman, the photographs of Mama, and the two angels like this. Yeah, the building, the false ceiling, the lights, the wall clock, and then there's something written on this. I'm not able to read that. Yeah, this Drishti ko Sheetal Man ko Nirmal Kare, these things I've been able to notice. Yeah.
Thank you so much. But the question is, when you were observing all those things in this room, were you able to see yourself also standing over here?
मैं तो हुई हूँ.
मैं तो हुई हूँ, सर्वव्यापी हूँ क्या?
I'm not saying that I'm sarvyapi.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The focus point is, when I'm seeing, I'm observing whatever I'm doing, I am programming, I'm doing each and everything in my life, but I'm not able to see myself. I can see the whole world, but I'm not seeing myself. And that's the biggest lapse what I'm doing. Because when we talk about self-programming, it starts from the self. I have to program myself. It's not about the company programming right now. It's about my own programming, and I'm not able to see myself. I can see you, I can see you, I can see all the objects also, but I can't see myself. Will I be able to program myself? And the programming will be what? ये ऐसे क्यों करता है, ये वैसे क्यों करता है? The same programming that I was doing earlier also. No change in the programming. And you know from which age the programming starts in us? Do you know that? When we were a very small kid. एक छोटा सा बच्चा होता है, चलना शुरू करता है, अभी पूरा तरह से चलना भी नहीं आता, मदर फादर उसका हाथ पकड़ते हैं, बेटा गिर नहीं जाना, लेकिन वो उसको बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस, और वो क्या करता है, नहीं मैं अकेला ही चलूंगा, थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ता है, कहीं हिट होता है, नीचे गिर जाता है और जोर जोर से रोना शुरू करता है, और मदर क्या करती है, भाग करके जाती है और उस बच्चे को उठाती है और उसके आंसू पोंछ के कहती है, इसने मारा ना तुझे, इसने मारा, हाँ इसने मारा, और क्या करती है, एक हाथ रख के दूसरे हाथ से उस वॉल को, उस ऑब्जेक्ट को मारना शुरू कर देती है, और बच्चा क्या करता है, बड़ा खुश, और क्या कहती है, तू भी मार, मैं तो मार ही रही हूं, तू भी मार, और बच्चे क्या करता है, वो भी मारता है, 2 थप्पड़ मार के वो खुश हो जाता है। प्रोग्रामिंग क्या किया, प्रोग्रामिंग क्या किया बेटा, you were very right. Wherever you go, nothing should come in front of you. If anything comes, it should go aside automatically. You are always right. क्या हुआ, ये दीवार बीच में आई, आप तो सही जा रहे थे बेटा, you were not wrong. उस समय मदर का ऑब्जेक्टिव ये नहीं था कि वो आपके अंदर एक गलत प्रोग्रामिंग करे, लेकिन उसका ऑब्जेक्टिव सिर्फ ये था कि आप उस समय चुप हो जाएं. But slowly and gradually, because this was happening each and every day, the programming came. I am right. I am right. You are wrong. कहीं ना कहीं ये प्रोग्रामिंग हमारे अंदर हमको बहुत बड़ा एक पेन दे रही है. So there is a need to change something now. Now what we have to change is the whole scenario we have to change. हमें सब कुछ इसमें change करना होगा. I would like to show a very beautiful video to you. What was it? What was it? A child is very happy because he has just seen water over there and he just wants to play. उसने कोई प्रोग्रामिंग किया? उसने कोई प्रोग्राम बना के निकला था कि रास्ते में कुछ ऐसा मिलेगा तो मैं एंजॉय करूंगा, अगर मेरे साथ अच्छा मेरा रास्ता निकला तो मैं ऐसा करूंगा, सोचा था उसने? हमें नहीं लगता कि हम ज्यादा ही प्रोग्रामिंग करते हैं कई बारी? नहीं, कई बारी ओवर प्रोग्रामिंग हम लोग करते हैं, और उस ओवर प्रोग्रामिंग से हम उस छोटी छोटी खुशी को ऑब्जर्व नहीं कर पाते हैं. जो हमारे सामने आ सकती थी, मैं उसको इंजॉय कर सकती थी, लेकिन मैंने उसको इंजॉय क्यों नहीं किया? क्योंकि मैं कुछ ऑलरेडी प्लान करके बैठी हुई थी. आई वॉज ऑब्जर्विंग, जब डॉक्टर गिरीश पटेल भी करा रहे थे, आई वॉज सिटिंग आउटसाइड एंड वॉज वॉचिंग, जैसे वो कुछ ऐसे वैसे कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ करा रहे थे, तो आप लोगों का वीडियो भी साथ में आ रहा था. तो वो वीडियो में कई लोग तो एकदम खुल करके कर रहे थे, कहीं करते क्यों? क्योंकि कहीं कोई मुझे देख तो नहीं रहा. मैंने अपने अंदर प्रोग्रामिंग क्या कर रखी है? मैं ज़्यादातर आज इसलिए जी रही हूँ कि लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. दैट्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर मी. मैं अपने बारे में क्या सोचती हूँ, दैट लीस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर मी. इज दैट हैपनिंग? इज दैट हैपनिंग? मैंने क्या पहना है वो मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगना चाहिए सामने वाले को? प्रैक्टिकली ये सामने वाले को ज़्यादा अच्छा लगना चाहिए. मैं तो कुछ भी पहन लूँगी, लेकिन सामने वाला मुझे अच्छा बोल रहा है तो मैं अच्छी लग रही हूँ. अगर सामने वाला अच्छा नहीं बोल रहा है इसका मतलब मैं अच्छी नहीं लग रही हूँ. ये प्रोग्रामिंग है. ये प्रोग्रामिंग है. व्हाट आई एम गिविंग टू माई सेल्फ, आई एम एक्चुअली चीटिंग माई सेल्फ. और उसके लिए एक बहुत बड़ा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की ज़रूरत है. एक इनर मैकेनिज्म है, ऐसा मैकेनिज्म जो कि हम सबके अंदर है. बट हाउ इज इट वर्किंग वो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. एंड आई वॉन्ट द आंसर्स फ्रॉम यू ऑल. सबसे पहले कोई भी चीज़ हम करते हैं तो क्या होता है? Whenever I see, whatever I do, whatever I read, what happens first? Initially, a thought comes. Initially, a thought comes in the mind, right? So, as soon as the thought comes, what happens next is? What comes next? Thought is there. Now, what will happen? It's all about the inner mechanism. I'm not talking about something which is coming outside, what we are reacting or what we are doing. It's something which is very much internal. You have to check, analyze, and then you have to answer me. As the thought comes, so feelings, self, yeah, about the self only I'm talking. Feeling of success and failure, okay. Choice is yours. Choice I make after that, okay. I feel good or bad. Very true. Actually, the answer has come now. But just I want to give you a brief of it. How it happens. जैसे ही कोई भी चीज़ आपने देखी, सुनी या पढ़ी, उसको देखते, सुनते, पढ़ते सबसे पहले एक थॉट रेज हुआ. A thought arises in the mind. And as soon as the thought arises in the mind, the next step is, for example, if I tell you that after this session, there will be a party outside, right? And there will be a DJ and dhoom, 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 dhoom. What will happen? Or I say, after you return from here, there are 3 days holiday in your company. Now a bigger smile is coming on your face. What was that? What was that? As soon as I gave you a thought, what happened? What happened? You will plan, you will recognize what happened, what was there, why did the holiday happen, whatever. You will plan also, but it will be also later on. But first of all, what we will do is, as soon as you hear this, the thought goes inside and smile came out. It was a feeling. It was a feeling. It can be a feeling of happiness. It can be a sad feeling also. But as soon as a thought goes, the feeling comes out. As is my feelings, so will be. So will be. As my feelings are, so will be. Action. Reaction. See, you met someone, you didn't like that man or women, right? You had a bad feeling and you just want that that person should move from there. Can you take any action for that person? Can you take any action or can you react over there always? Always can you react over there? We can't. We can't take action every time. We can't react every time. But it's very much internal. As my feelings are, so will be. So will be. Okay, I give you an example. आज आपके घर से एक बच्चा निकलता है आपका छोटा भाई हो सकता है, आपका बेटा हो सकता है, एनीवन, और एक ऐसे एरिया में जाता है जहां आपको पता चलता है कि बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट हुआ है या वहां पर किडनैपिंग हुई है, ठीक है, वहां पर वो ट्यूशन पढ़ने जाता है. एवरी डे बाय 5 o'clock द चाइल्ड कम्स बैक, बट नाउ टुडे इट्स 6 o'clock द चाइल्ड हैजंट रिटर्न बैक. What will happen? I give you a thought. Now what will happen? The feeling of fear and insecurity will occur, right? As soon as the feeling of insecurity will occur or fear will occur, what will happen? What will happen? Everything around me will also be, right? The neighbor comes and tells me, don't worry, it's only 6 o'clock. The child might be studying extra time over there. No problem, he will come. You don't worry. Will I accept that? Will I accept that? No. My wife has made gajar halwa for me. Will I be able to eat that? Will I be able to? I can eat that, but I will not have the taste of it. Why? Because everything around me is good, but still my attitude towards that is, my attitude is negative. वो धीरे धीरे वो negative होता जा रहा है. Now it's 6:30. The child hasn't returned yet. What will happen? As my attitude is, so will be. So will be my personality. So will be. Just go inside. Check yourself. Check yourself. What will happen? You all are very good programmers. But what do you program for yourself? But the child doesn't have the mobile phone or the battery is gone. What will happen? These situations can happen, huh? These situations can happen. What will happen? My attitude is negative, my feelings are negative, the thoughts are also coming very negative. Now what will happen? Definitely the behavior with the people will also be negative. Behavior will also be negative. Now the child is there, it's 6:30 and the child has arrived over there. Doorbell rings, you go and open the door and the child is smiling. What will happen? What will happen? The attitude changes. What will happen? You will also smile? You will also smile? Scold. Someone will scold, someone will slap. There will be a feeling from inside, the child is there. But from outside, what will happen? Where were you? क्योंकि उसने कभी ऐसा किया ही नहीं है. Where were you? Right? So my behavior is negative and that behavior makes my yes, that behavior makes my personality. Now the child will think कि मैंने किया क्या था. He didn't ask, my father or mother didn't ask from me, where were you beta? Are you really okay? Did something happen to you? They didn't ask anything. They didn't even offer me a glass of water. But they were always scolding me, where were you? They don't have faith on me. All these sort of thoughts will come and what will happen? He or she will think that you are the one who is not trusting me. Your personality will be like that. And whenever the child has to go outside, he will think, जब इनको विश्वास ही नहीं करना मैं बताऊं ही क्यों इनको. Right? तो क्या हुआ? Overall सब कुछ डिस्टर्ब हुआ. हुआ डिस्टर्ब. प्रोग्रामिंग क्या की थी? प्रोग्रामिंग क्या की थी? कि कुछ भी गलत नहीं होना चाहिए. मैं अपने बच्चे से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. मेरे साथ सब कुछ ठीक होना चाहिए. मैं जितना कमा रहा हूँ अपने बच्चों के लिए कमा रहा हूँ. लेकिन हुआ क्या प्रोग्रामिंग में? एक बहुत बड़ा चेंज हुआ और वो प्रोग्रामिंग से मेरी पर्सनालिटी क्या हुई? एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट हैज बिकम नेगेटिव. Who is responsible for all this? Whatever happened? Who is responsible? Self is responsible. From where were all these thoughts coming? From where were all these thoughts coming? From the soul. From mind. Does mind automatically create thoughts? Situations. A very right word, the informations that I gather from outside. These informations are the basic source that is actually disturbing my own programming. I program something else, but whenever I get a situation, I get the information from outside, all these programs goes out and some other programming gets started. पूरा मेरा inner mechanism disturb हो जाता है. So there is a big need of some change now. What we have to change is, can we change the news? Can we change the news? Can we change the situations? Can we change the problems outside? Can we change anything? Can we? Yes or no? Can we? No. There's nothing in my hands. I can't change anything. But there is still one change that I can make. I would like all of you to stand up, if you are comfortable with it. Are you? Okay. Now what you have to do is, you have to choose a partner. You can choose any partner in this hall and just stand with that partner. Choose a partner. You don't have any partner. Please go ahead. Go ahead, move in the room and just choose a partner. You don't have to be alone. You three are here. Just choose another partner. Yeah. Everyone has a partner now? Everyone has a partner? Is anyone alone? No one? You are alone? Is anyone there who can help him up? He is alone here? No, it's okay if we can't. You are also alone? You come here with this brother. Okay, now what you have to do is, I give you a minute time, and in this minute time, first of all stand face to face. Stand face to face. And in this 1 minute, what you have to do is, you have to simply observe your partner. You don't have to talk to that partner for this 1 minute at least. And in this 1 minute, you just have to observe your partner from top to bottom. That's what you have to do. You still have half minute. अच्छी तरह से देख लीजिए, पता नहीं दोबारा ये मौका मिले ना मिले. Okay, done? Done? Observed? Okay. Now what you have to do is, don't sit. Now what you have to do is, stand back to back. Stand back to back. And now you have to make 3 physical visible changes. Such sort of a changes that when your partner sees you, he or she should be able to observe those 3 changes. Right? That should be 3 physical visible changes and should be seen. एक पॉकेट से निकाल के दूसरी में नहीं डाल दीजिएगा. Now you can talk to each other if you would like. No problem. You have to be back. You have to be back. अभी मैंने बोला नहीं. You have to be back. Let them change. Let them change. जिस पोजीशन में उसी में ही रहना है आपको. Don't move. Back to back, back to back. Okay, done the 3 changes? Done the 3 changes? Okay, now again stand towards your partner, facing towards your partner, and observe those 3 changes that your partner has done. Tell him, tell him. Okay, how many of you were able to recognize all 3 changes? How many of you are able? All the 3 changes, all the 3 changes. Okay, how many of you were able to recognize the 2 changes? 2 changes, 1 change, 1 change. Who only recognized the 1 change? And was there anyone who didn't change anything? Was there anyone? Okay, no one was there like that. Okay, fine. Now just remain with that change. Remain with that change. Don't come back. Maintaining those 3 changes, again stand back to back. Now maintaining those 3 changes, you have to again do 3 new changes, means the total 6 changes now. Right? And you can be as creative as you would like. Means the total 6 changes should be done without removing the old 3. You can be as creative as you would like. Done? Done? Not responding. Done? Okay. Now again stand facing towards your partner. And now again observe the 3 new changes that your partner has done. The 3 new changes. Be fast in doing that. Okay, so now how many of you were able to recognize the 3 new changes this time? The 3 new changes this time only. Okay, 2 changes with the 2 changes with 1 change. 1 change, simply 1 change. And was there anyone who didn't change anything this time? Was there anyone? Okay, 2 of you. Fine. Now, remaining with all those 6 changes, don't change, don't change. Remaining with those 6 changes, again back to back. And 3 new changes, means total 9 now. No? Okay. Be seated, be seated, be seated. So many no's were coming to me. तो इसमें क्या चीज सीखी? फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैंने आपको कहा कि आपको अपने सामने वाले पार्टनर को सिर्फ ऑब्जर्व करना है फॉर 1 मिनट, हाउ वाज इट? हाउ वाज इट? इजी? समथिंग एल्स? फनी? वंडरफुल? ओके, व्हाट एल्स? कैजुअल? व्हाट एल्स? हाँ? Can't hear. Recognize the other one. Okay. Scrutinize. Okay. Scanned. Good. What I was observing, जैसे ही आप एक दूसरे को देख रहे थे, कई लोग तो थे जो ऊपर से नीचे तक देख रहे थे, कई सोच रहे थे इसमें देखने लायक है क्या। कई ऐसे भी थे जो घड़ी की तरफ देख रहे थे कि 1 मिनट पूरा नहीं हुआ क्या। कई आप में से ऐसे, मैं सच में रियली आई वॉज ऑब्जर्विंग द सेम, कई उसमें से थे जो सिर्फ एक दूसरे की आंखों में देख रहे थे, और कई ऐसे थे जो ऐसे खड़े थे, 1 मिनट पूरा नहीं हो रहा है अभी भी। और जब मैंने बोला कि आधा मिनट अभी आपके पास और है, तो और दिल की धड़कनें बढ़ गई, इसको और कैसे झेलूं अभी। एक्चुअली ये जो 1 मिनट आपको दिया गया, अभी आप समझ गए कि आपको ये 1 मिनट क्यों दिया गया था, बट एट दैट मोमेंट यू डिडंट न्यू कि आपको ये 1 मिनट क्यों दिया गया है। अगर आपको बता दिया जाता कि आपको 1 मिनट क्यों दिया जा रहा है, तो क्या हमारा ऑब्जर्वेशन और ज्यादा अच्छा नहीं होता? होता। सो इट्स वेरी मच नेसेसरी कि अगर हम कोई भी काम करने जा रहे हैं, इफ आई एम स्टार्टिंग समथिंग, आई शुड वेरी वेल नो कि मैं ये क्यों करने जा रही हूँ, जो अभी आपको नहीं पता था। लेकिन हमें पता होना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम ये क्यों कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो मेरी प्रोग्रामिंग के लिए एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करेगा। कई बारी हम कुछ काम करते रहते हैं लेकिन हमें पता नहीं चलता हम क्यों कर रहे हैं। एंड आई रियली टेल यू, आई हैव सीन सो मेनी पीपल इन माई लाइफ, कहते हैं सिस्टर पूरी ज़िंदगी बिता दी हमने काम करते हुए और हमें लगता है हमने ज़िंदगी में किया क्या। आई हैव मेट सो मेनी पीपल कहते हैं आज हम इतने अच्छे डेजिग्नेशंस पर हैं, सब कुछ है, आई कैन अफोर्ड एवरीथिंग, बट स्टिल आई एम सीइंग मैंने क्या किया अपने लाइफ में। आई हैवंट डन एनीथिंग बिकॉज दे वर नॉट फोकस्ड एज सच कि मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ। वी हैव टू डू एंड आई एम डूइंग, दैट वॉज द ओनली थिंग। सो नाउ आई हैव टू जस्ट सी कि मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ। When this objective will be there, I will be very much focused. दूसरी बारी मैंने आपको कहा that you have to make 3 physical visible changes. How was it? It was clear and it was easy to do. Something interesting, something good to do. कुछ अच्छा करने को मिला. Okay, fine. लेकिन my observation was कि जैसे जैसे आप कोई changes कर रहे थे, most of you were taking out something. कोई टैग निकाल रहा था, कोई बैज निकाल रहा था, कोई स्पेक्स निकाल रहा था, कोई पेन निकाल रहा था. Everyone was taking something up. Why? अब आप कहेंगे लेने लायक कुछ था ही कहाँ? नहीं, लेने लायक भी था. There can be some other changes. लेकिन बहुत सारे लोगों ने निकाल दिया था, उसको निकाल के ही रख दिया था. Why was that happening? That's all about our innate nature actually. Why was that happening? Because whenever we say that there is a need of some change, the first thing comes in our mind is, I have to give up something now. I have to quit something. And quitting for all of us is not so easy. Because of that, we don't want any changes. The life should be very smooth. It should run as it is running. I don't want any more changes. Right? I don't want any more changes. क्योंकि डर लगता है अंदर से, change माना कुछ छोड़ना पड़ेगा, जो भी आपका naturally हुआ, naturally था वो. उसके बाद मैंने आपको कहा that you have to make 3 new changes, means the total 6 changes. How was it? More funny? More funny? Challenging also and funny also. लेकिन फिर भी आपने किया. जब मैंने आपको 3rd टाइम कहा that you have to make 3 new changes, means the total 9 changes now. What was happening? नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा. एक व्यक्ति तो वहां से खड़े होकर कैसे कर रहे थे, क्या करूं, मेरे को दिखा रहे थे क्या करूं, तभी मैंने कहा बैठ जाओ. I was worried, मैंने कहा कहीं कुछ और ना कर दें वो. जबकि आपने अगर ध्यान दिया हो, at the second time I said, आप कितने भी क्रिएटिव हो सकते हैं. I said that 3 times I repeated. You can be as creative as you would like. Did I said that? अगर आप उस क्रिएटिविटी को यूज करते तो अभी तक आप कर पाते? आपके पास बहुत सारी चीजें थी ऑलरेडी जिसको आप चेंज कर सकते थे. आप सॉक्स उतार सकते थे, जिसने पहनी है शूज पहना तो शूज उतार सकते थे, कुछ नहीं उतारा भी हेयर स्टाइल चेंज कर सकते थे, थोड़ी देर के लिए बाल खराब कर लेते तो क्या हो जाता। बट हमने क्या किया, 6 कर लिए ना, बहुत है, इससे ज्यादा की जरूरत नहीं है मुझे करने की। आई रिस्ट्रिक्टेड माई सेल्फ टू चेंज। ओके फाइन, आप में से कितने हैं जिन्होंने वो 6 चेंजेस स्टिल कंटिन्यू किए हुए हैं? गलती से एक आधा रह गया तो बात अलग है, लेकिन 6 कंटिन्यू किए हुए हैं अभी तक भी, वैसे के वैसे ही बैठे हैं विद ऑल दो 6 चेंजेस, विद ऑल दो 6 चेंजेस। बाय चांस इट्स ओके, बट अदरवाइज सबने क्या किया, यू ऑल केम टू योर ओरिजिनल फॉर्म एंड देन यू सैट। वाई? मैंने तो नहीं कहा था ठीक होकर के बैठिए, मैंने तो क्या कहा था, बैठ जाइए। गेम वॉज स्टिल नॉट ओवर। आपने क्या किया, वापस अपने आप को चेंज किया एंड देन यू सैट। क्यों? बिकॉज ऑल दोज चेंजेस वर uncomfortable for all of you, because that changes which you did were not coming from your heart. All those changes were forcible changes that I was telling you to do. Could you understand the philosophy? Change can only be done when I think that I have to change something. If I am not insisting myself to change, I will never change. यहाँ पर आकर के कितने भी बोल देंगे ना, आई विल नेवर चेंज। हम में से कितनों को लगता है हमें डेली एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए? सबको लगता है। करते कितने हैं? सी। हम में से कितनों को पता है गुस्सा नहीं करना चाहिए? करते कितने हैं? कितने करते हैं? हाँ, कितने करते हैं? जितनी बारी बोल रही हूँ उतनी बारी हाथ बढ़ते जा रहे हैं। हम में से कितनों को पता है कि मेरे को अपना बिहेवियर इंप्रूव करने की जरूरत है? और कितने कर रहे हैं? ट्राइंग टू डू दैट बट नॉट एबल टू डू दैट प्रॉपरली, बिकॉज वो चेंज जो अंदर से आना चाहिए, आई एम नॉट एबल टू हेल्प माई सेल्फ टू चेंज। आई एम नॉट एबल टू हेल्प माई सेल्फ। नाउ देर इज एक्चुअली अ नीड कि मैं उस चेंज को अपने साथ लेकर के आऊं, otherwise the time will move and I will be there, will still there, और वो मेरी पूरी प्रोग्रामिंग, मेरी पूरी लाइफ प्रोग्रामिंग को डिस्टर्ब करेगा। Do all of you have pen and pencil in your hands? Every one of you have? I give you a small questionnaire, just answer this questionnaire. In this questionnaire there are 14 questions and you have to answer all the questions, right? Right? करेंगे? Okay. I'm just opening this. Just a minute. Just. Wait, don't answer. Don't answer. Wait. You have to answer all these questions, but you have to read it first of all. Can you see this now? Is that visible? No. Okay, just leave it then. Just leave it. Actually, it's a very good activity, but it can't be done right now. Fine, no problem. So, actually the thing is, no problem, no problem. Later on we can do that. Okay, so actually the thing is that there is some need of change that I have to take within myself, and for that change, what I have to do is, first of all, what I have to do is let be. Just note it down. Note it down. I have to do let be. What is let be? Let be is let be whatever others say. The most important thing. Let be what others say. एक बहुत अच्छी कहावत बनी हुई है, गीत बना हुआ है, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, जोर से तो बोलिए, लोगों का काम है कहना. Is that actually true? Is that true? But still, what's happening? Still, लोग क्या कहते हैं, that's more important for me. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, लोगों को बोलने दीजिए जिसको जो बोलना है. बट इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप जो कर रहे हैं क्या वो सही है. एक बार एक व्यक्ति था, रास्ते अपने गधे को लेकर के जा रहा था और उस गधे के ऊपर उस व्यक्ति का बच्चा बैठा हुआ था. आगे बढ़ते हैं, पब्लिक देखती है और कहती है कैसा बच्चा है ना, खुद ऊपर चढ़ के बैठा, बेचारा बूढ़ा बाप नीचे पैदल चल रहा है. जब ये सुनता है तो बच्चा नीचे आ जाता है, बाप ऊपर बैठ जाता है. आगे बढ़ते हैं, पब्लिक देखती है और कहती है कैसा बाप है ना, खुद ऊपर चढ़ के बैठा, बेचारा बच्चा पैदल चल रहा है. जब ये सुनते हैं तो दोनों ऊपर बैठ जाते हैं. आगे बढ़ते हैं, पब्लिक देखती है और कहती है कैसे है ना, बेचारे गधे को दबा रखा है. जब ये सुनते हैं तो दोनों नीचे उतर जाते हैं. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं, पब्लिक देखती है और कहती है कितने मूर्ख है ना, इससे अच्छा एक जना ऊपर ही बैठ जाता. Whatever you do, people will always speak for you. अच्छा करेंगे तो भी लोग बोलते हैं, yes or no? बोलते हैं. अच्छा करते हैं तो भी लोग बोलते हैं. गलत करते हैं तो बोलते ही बोलते हैं. और कुछ नहीं करते हैं तो क्या करें? क्या करें? अफसाना. तो क्या करें? चेक योर सेल्फ. ऐसे नहीं, चेक योर सेल्फ, एनालाइज योर सेल्फ एंड देन गो अहेड. Because people will always speak whatever they are speaking, but that should not matter me a lot. I should hear that, but that should not matter me actually. Right? So first thing is that I should let be what people are telling to do. Second thing is let go. What is let go? Let go is let go your assumptions. Don't assume for anyone. That assumptions are the, I can say, the biggest drawback in our life. We are assuming for each and everyone. If someone is standing in and watching away, I will feel, कहीं मुझे तो नहीं देख रहा है, अरे वो तो बैनर का साइज देख रहा था. अब क्या होगा? What is he thinking about me? What is he thinking about me? I can't do anything. I can just stop him to think about me. But still I am thinking and he is very happy over there. Is this happening? Is this happening? The person is enjoying his life and I am worried what he was thinking about me. No need to think about it. I am just assuming it. And even if I can help something out, then it's okay. But I can't change that mindset. I can't change that. So what I should do is, I should not make any assumption that that person is thinking about me or not. Never to assume for anyone. Let it be. Let it be. एक बार एक लेडी थी, उसको अपनी बेटी की शादी करनी थी. She didn't have money. उसने कहा किससे मांगूं? तो एक भगवान को लेटर लिखती है, भगवान मुझे अपनी बेटी की शादी करनी है, आप कृपया मेरे को 10,000 रुपये भिजवा दीजिए. एंड शी पोस्टेड दैट लेटर. अब वो कहाँ जाता? पोस्ट ऑफिस तक जाकर के रुक गया, क्योंकि भगवान का कोई एड्रेस तो था नहीं. वहाँ पोस्ट मास्टर उसको खोलते हैं और उसको पढ़ते हैं. एंड दे ऑल स्टार्टेड लाफिंग ऑन दैट लेडी कि हमारे गांव में कितनी मूर्ख औरतें हैं जिनके पास 10,000 रुपये भी नहीं है. एंड शी इज सेइंग कि भगवान मुझे पैसे भेज देना. वन मैन स्टूड अप एंड सेड, नहीं, हमारे गांव में ऐसी महिलाएं भी हैं जिनके पास इतना पैसा भी नहीं है. वी शुड हेल्प दैट लेडी. वो सब मिलकर के कलेक्ट करते हैं, 9,500 इकट्ठा होता है और उसके घर पोस्ट कर देते हैं. मैरिज करती है, सब ठीक हो जाता है. मैरिज के बाद दोबारा भगवान को एक लेटर लिखती है, थैंक यू लेटर. भगवान आपका बहुत बहुत थैंक्स, आपने पहली बेटी की शादी के लिए पैसे भिजवाए, अब मेरी दूसरी बेटी की शादी है, मुझे फिर से 10,000 रुपये चाहिए. लेकिन अब जब आप पैसे भिजवाएंगे ना तो बाय पोस्ट मत भिजवाना, डायरेक्टली मेरे घर पर भिजवाना. क्यों? क्योंकि पोस्ट वाले बीच में से 500 रुपये खा लेते हैं. Now what will happen? Will they be sending another 9,500? Will they be sending? No. What was a simple thing lying in between? A small assumption that I was assuming कि सारी दुनिया गलत है, इसलिए भगवान आज ये भी गलत हो गए. हम किसी को भी नहीं छोड़ते. We are just assuming and अपने आप को परेशान करने में लगे हुए हैं. So never to assume, never ever to assume. Right? Third thing is always give blessings and take blessings. The biggest funda of the life. Always give blessings and take blessings. अब कैसे ले blessings? पैर छू के मिलेगी? मिलेगी? मैं एक फ़नी बात आपको बताती हूँ। दिल्ली में ही नहीं, हर जगह पर ही जब हमने देखा है लोग कहीं मंदिर मस्जिद गुरुद्वारों के सामने से निकलते हैं तो जनरली सिर झुका देते हैं, हाथ झुका देते हैं, हाथ जोड़ लेते हैं, राइट? ऑल दिस सॉर्ट्स ऑफ थिंग्स हैपन। आई वॉज इन दिल्ली और वहाँ पर एक बहुत अच्छा बड़ा मंदिर है, झंडे वाला मंदिर कहते हैं उसको। वहाँ पर एक बहुत बड़ी हनुमान जी की मूर्ति है बाहर। आई वॉज स्टैंडिंग ओवर देन वेटिंग फॉर समवन। सो वॉट आई ऑब्जर्व वॉज, एक लेडी रिक्शा पर जा रही थी और जाते हुए क्या करती है, जनरली लोग हाथ झुका देते हैं, हाथ जोड़ लेते हैं, वो हनुमान जी की मूर्ति देख कर के ऐसे करती हुई जा रही थी। आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड वो हाई कर रही थी या बाय कर रही थी। हमने क्या किया, जिनकी हम पूजा करते हैं, जिनको हम मानते हैं, उनके साथ आज हमारा क्या हो गया, हम सोचते हैं फ्रेंडली बिहेवियर हो गया हमारा, लेकिन वो फ्रेंडली बिहेवियर के कारण रिस्पेक्ट कहीं बहुत पीछे छूट गई है, कहीं बहुत पीछे रह गया है वो। एक बीच में न्यूज़पेपर में एक आर्टिकल छपा था, माता के 8 हाथों में 8 प्रकार की शराब का एडवर्टाइजमेंट था। दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड। तो क्या ब्लेसिंग्स मिलेंगी? मिलेंगी? यस और नो? मिलेंगी? क्या अपने बड़े बुजुर्गों से जिनके हम पैर छूते हैं, क्या वो दिल से छूते हैं? आपने देखा होगा पहले लोग पूरा झुकते थे, फिर पैरों को तक झुकना शुरू किया, घुटनों तक आए। आजकल तो वो सामने वाले पे कहते रहने दे, इतना ही ठीक है। क्यों? क्योंकि पता है कि सामने वाले की फीलिंग्स ही नहीं है। आई विल नॉट गेट दोज ब्लेसिंग्स फ्रॉम अदर्स। तो ब्लेसिंग्स देना भी है और लेना भी है, दोनों काम करने हैं। कर सकते हैं? कर सकते हैं? जानते हैं ब्लेसिंग्स देने और लेने का एक सबसे सिंपल चीज क्या है? ऑलवेज यूज योर हार्ट। ऑलवेज यूज योर हार्ट, डोंट यूज योर ब्रेन। हम सबके पास बहुत ज्यादा दिमाग है और इसीलिए वो हार्ट कम यूज होता है। जस्ट यूज योर हार्ट। ट्राई करिएगा इस फॉर्मूला को, ट्राई करिएगा, इस दिल को यूज करके देखिए। आप देखिएगा भगवान आपके दिमाग को ऑटोमेटिकली यूज कर लेगा। करके देखिएगा। दिल तो यही होता है, फिलहाल तक तो यही होता था, अभी कुछ चेंज तो नहीं हुआ है? नहीं भाई, प्रोग्रामर सामने बैठे हैं, हो सकता है कुछ चेंज हो गया हो। करके देखिए उसको ट्राई, आप देखिएगा एक बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस आपकी लाइफ में आपको दिखाई देगा, बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस। जस्ट स्टार्ट यूजिंग योर हार्ट एंड इट विल एक्चुअली मेक अ डिफरेंस। तो जितनी आप प्लानिंग अपनी लाइफ में करते हैं, उस प्लानिंग के साथ साथ इन 2-3 प्लानिंग्स को और ऐड कर दीजिए। और एक लास्ट चीज जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, दैट इज ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल। जस्ट डू द ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल। व्हाट इज दिस ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल? जैसे रोड्स पर ट्रैफिक सिग्नल्स लगे होते हैं एंड इट कंट्रोल्स द ट्रैफिक ओवर देयर। नाउ व्हाट आई हैव टू डू इज आई हैव टू कंट्रोल द थॉट्स दैट आर अकरिंग इन माय माइंड। I have to control those thoughts, because do you know how many thoughts are coming in our mind in a minute? Science says generally a normal human being is having approximately 25 to 30 thoughts per minute. 25 to 30 thoughts per minute, and in the whole day it goes to approximately somewhere 60 to 65,000. I'm talking about the normal human being, and I feel that we all are normal here, right? And if a person is in the stage of depression, science says that those thoughts can raise up to 120 per minute also. And if you are in a stage of meditation, those thoughts can slow down to 6 to 8 per minute. So what I have to do is I have to decide now. I have to decide. So there is a need to stop my thoughts. I have to put a stop over there. Traffic control is very much necessary for that. What we generally practice over here is that after every hour, a small sound plays, and whatever we are doing, wherever we are, we just stop over there and just talk to ourselves or relax ourselves. Something. I have to give something to myself over there. As we drink water every time, I drink tea, I drink something else. I am giving something or the other input I am always giving to myself. What I have to do is I have to just shift it out and I have to give this small introspection, I can say, or I can say a small task to myself for a minute, and after that minute I have to give and take that task for another 1 hour also. For example, if I talk to myself and if I say that in this particular hour I will be very much peaceful whatever the situation comes in front of me, right? Another hour, after a minute, just give the instruction to yourself, I will be smiling for this hour, whatever comes to me. In another next hour, I will be very much happy and will be sharing this happiness with others also. I can just give simply small tasks to myself so that my every hour will be better and better and better. Just try to do that. Today everyone has having a mobile. Just put an alarm over there. Put a very sweet song over there or music over there. As soon as it gets played, just relax for a minute. Can you do that? Can you do that? A strong yes is not coming to me. Yes? Yes. So we all have to try it out and we have to do it because this is a really need of the time now that we have to change. And we have to change this programming that we have already done. Now it's a time to change this programming and start a new journey. Right? Thank you so much. Yeah, please. Thoughts and the breaths you are taking. I think so. I'm not very much. I just think so. Yes, there is a link between this because आप देखिए अगर आपके अंदर कोई एक डर वाला thought आता है, if there is a thought of some of fear, sorry, so what happens? Your heartbeat increases. Your heartbeat increases. आपके thoughts ज़्यादा चलने शुरू हो जाएंगे तो एक body में sensation भी आ जाता है उससे. So I think so. It might happen. I think so. Yeah, definitely. If my thoughts will slow down, the quality of thoughts will increase. That's very true. That's very true. That will happen. Anything else? Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sister, for your valuable remark regarding this topic. Sister says कि in today timing, in our life, regard, respect are totally disappeared. So, कैसे आएगी ये? कैसे इंक्लूड होगी? क्या कोई यूनिवर्सिटी है? क्या कोई स्कूल है जहाँ ये सब हमें सीखने के लिए मिले? Is it possible? Yes or no? Wisdom provides us the better way to understand, regard, respect. So, the first duty of university is to teach wisdom, not trade, not character, not technicalities. Because wisdom includes all these things in a one bunch, in a one bag. Now, there are three types of environment are around us. In particular time are present us. Anyone have an idea about that particular environment? There are three types of environment are present around us. Anyone have an idea? No one. One is inner, another one outer, and third one is social. Every people are busy with outer and social environment like your family, your business responsibilities, your reputation, earning source, and etc. etc. But no one will be focused on inner strength or can say inner environment. But can it possible happiness comes without the help of inner environment? Is it possible? No. Happiness will come with the combination of all these environments. Yes? So this conference will provide you a better way to understand inner environment. Now I request to brother Shri Manoj Bharve to present their remarks on this topic. Brother Bharve is working as a Director of Finance and IT and whole-time Director at Alpha Level India Limited since 2012. He has a solid experience over 25 years in various financial areas. Also have an excellent command over German language. He obtained his qualification from the state of California, USA, and also achieved 90% score in first attempt. He also conducts various IT-related courses, team building, team leading seminar. So welcome to Brother Manoj Bharve for their valuable remarks.
Well, I won't take more than 5 of your minutes because it's getting dark now and all of us are going to get up at 3:30 in the morning in order to start meditation at 4, right? In fact, after, first of all, thank you very much, BK Khatiji, for bringing us all these insights and making nice presentations, and also for the interactive session. It was the most interactive session, and I was wondering what am I doing on the stage. I would have loved to be there, down there, and trying to make those changes. And it was a very good example which teaches us quite a lot. And also for giving us certain advices on letting it be for what others say, letting go assumptions, give and take blessings, and traffic control. Actually, this morning I come from Pune, and this morning I came at around 11 o'clock. I arrived here, and I was not at all aware about that I have to speak something. So I'm not at all prepared, and I was wondering why is my name appearing there. I'm neither good at IT nor good at meditation. So maybe that is the reason. That's why I have a lot to learn. That's why my name was included there. First, when I looked at the program, I read the name. That was the first time when I realized I have to say something, and the name was Manoj Bharve. I thought, oh, there is some other Manoj Bharve here who is it's possible. It's a blessed place. But when I read about Alpha Laval, then I said this is too much to expect, even for a blessed place, that there are 2 Manoj Bharves from the same organization. You mentioned about by working with Alpha Laval. I'm still associated with Alpha Laval, but I have started a change actually. Last 2 weeks ago, I have resigned from the company, and I'm trying to do something on my own, which I was trying to do since long, but I was struggling with it. What happens, you always think that once you achieve something, then you are happy. Once I got good marks in school, then I thought that I will be happy. Passed BCom with good marks. CA, ICAA, once that happens, then I will be happy. That happened, then I thought that I will have first job and then I will be happy. Then I worked abroad. I worked in Germany mostly for 20 years. I thought that once I work in Germany, earn a lot of money and come back, then I will be happy. I worked here again as a director of finance for 6-7 years, and that should make me happy. But something was always missing. I was chasing a mirage all the time, and I realized that that something has to come from within. And after making all these changes, I mean, corporate life makes you extremely comfortable. Corporate life makes you find it difficult to come out of your comfort zone. And don't take it me wrong, I'm not at all against profit mentality in corporate, or I'm not against technology also. I mean, I have been working on those profits all these years. And profits have to be there, of course, but then how much is too much and how much is enough? That question was always bothering me. Similarly with technology, I am as excited as you are about our ERPs and SCMs and CRMs and Internet of Technologies and 3D printing, big data. I am very much aware of it. I am excited about it too. But then again the question was coming that we are making many HMIs, you know very well, human to machine interfaces. We are in Internet of technologies, we are adding M2M technologies, machine to machine. Our refrigerators will talk to our microwaves, will talk to our cars, will talk to our retail suppliers, and all things will happen on their own. But then again I was wondering, while liking all those things, I was still wondering what is happening with that H2H interface, human to human. Is it reducing? With all these social technologies, are we speaking less to each other? And especially of young people, when I see them sitting next to each other in cafe, coffee day or wherever in colleges, and all are working on their Facebook or SMS, it makes me feel sad. So I think we need to do something on this. I came coincidentally for this program actually because it was a big change for me. I had to take a big call to leave the income, to leave the comfort of a corporate sector and start doing something on your own from scratch. And the slogan today, or whatever we are reading here, relax, recharge and rejuvenate. That is perfectly applicable. I am extremely happy to participate. The first day has gone very well, and I think I will have a lot to take together so that I can relax, recharge, rejuvenate and restart. And that is something which is reprogramming or self-programming, right? So I'm looking forward to this and for next couple of days. Today we also talked about linking success, technology and Raja Yoga. I again will finish with a couplet like Dr. did, in which it is said that reaching for the sky should be your objective, and for that you of course need wings. And but wings are not sufficient, and you need to dream about it also. So reaching for sky is for me something like success, which we saw in this morning. Wings is technology. We don't have wings, so we use technology for that. And dreams for me is of course dreaming, imagining, and at the same time doing all these activities like Raja Yoga and other meditation and spirituality is that soft part for me. So I will thank you once again to you for showing us the road, and I'll conclude with it this couplet which says, मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, सिर्फ पंख होने से कुछ नहीं होता, सपनों से उड़ान होती है. Thank you and God bless you. Thanks.
Thank you, brother, for your valuable experience. One more experience of founder of McDonald's I want to share with you. In a visit of a franchisee, the founder of McDonald's, Ray Kroc, found a fly in the mess of particular franchisee. After 2 weeks, that franchisee has been lost their membership. The reason which was given by Ray Kroc, anyone have an idea? The reason which was given by Ray Kroc. Anyone can guess? Anyone? Ray Kroc said every person will aim to find satisfaction and proud in their life, not only attain money in their life. So, what is our goal in our life? To find satisfaction, and satisfaction will come with the help of inner strength. So, at that moment, I want to request you, आप सभी एक सेल्फ प्रॉमिस करें कि यहाँ से अब आप इनर स्ट्रेंथ अपने अंदर इंक्रीज करेंगे. outer world and social world. These two things are also included in your life, but inner world, inner environment are not included. So please become a part of this inner environment. Now it's the time of an interaction round, and I request to Brother Raghav to come on the stage and take in hand the audience. And also request to Sister to provide a memento to our guest. Thank you, Sister.